Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make your garden beautiful, nice, and the fruit vegetable will grow very beautiful and nicely. Now we are in December. You will see over here, you can show the mess. We have to clean it. I have to clean this and put it over here, pile it, and put it in one corner of the property. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover on it and I'm gonna make that to become compost for summer or anytime that I need to plant in the garden, anything. So I'm gonna start clean this and then I'm gonna show you what we're doing with the mess. All right, and I'm gonna show you how beautiful it's gonna be. All right, now you can see over here the dirt. You can show them over there. You will take a tarp and you will cover it, couple of them plastic and tarp, which I have to fix it. I'm gonna keep this and then I put all my vegetables and fruits and whatever that I have to throw it, I don't throw them in compost. What I do, I will air it up here and I will make it compost so I can use it for my beautiful vegetables, for my food, so I can have nice, good, organic vegetables. And while it's winter, still it's damp and wet, it's gonna collect a lot of worm and it's gonna make beautiful compost for me, so I don't have to go spend my time buying it or anything. All right, well, and once in a while I will mix it, so what it does, it just, the worms inside, they will eat them, they will make good compost for me. All right, now I have to do the tiller, which we cleaned it up plenty, and I want to show you, there's this machine, you can borrow it, rent it. This is very nice tiller that it's very simple, easy, and it's very light, like the way you see it, how it's moving. So it has a little button, you just push it and you work. You can show them, it's very easy. This is the button here and then you press it and the job, it will be done. And then I'm going to show you the result that you can do it by yourself. You don't have to hire gardener to do this, and then you will see the good result of your job. All right, now I'm going to start to do it and then I will show you all the way that we did. Very simple, guys. I want to say that when you are doing the tiller, you should go a couple times over and over. When I say like go, come, so what it does, it goes deeper and deeper. So this way, when you put fertilizer, it will be nice and will be nice mixed together. When you come closer to your little trees, you just have to be very careful that you don't destroy the roots. Otherwise, it will be very nice to turn it the dirt and put good fertilizer. All right, now that you see over here, it's all with the tiller. I turn the dirt and the compost that I have it, I'm gonna mix it with it. It drained a little bit, that's why I wanted to turn the dirt, so it will make it easier to put the vitamins, the fertilizer and everything. Even over there, everything is done. So now what I have to do, I just have to open around the trees and plant my vegetables. Now that I do the compost like I showed you over there, that I collect them, this is what it does. I throw all my vegetables and everything into the garden, one corner, to make compost, and I want to show you, this is one of them that it's done. I want to show you how much worm you can get for doing a compost. Look how it will get, and then you'll use this for your garden, for your vegetable, which is very good. Your plants, your trees, your vegetables, they will grow beautifully. So don't throw your vegetables, the green, anything you do, like you see over here, even I just ate the banana, I throw them in, I'll cover it, and I will leave it. When you cover with plastic, this is how much compost you will get, and then you'll use it to your vegetables, and that's how you do your garden work. Well, I want to thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Go check all my videos. I have all variety kind of things. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.